We guide you through how to turn off automatic brightness on iPhone so you can manually control your screen brightness anytime. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap accessibility, then go into display and text size. Swipe all the way down until you see auto brightness. Simply toggle it off and that's it. Your iPhone will stop adjusting brightness automatically based on your surroundings. Now, you can manually set your brightness anytime by swiping down from the top right corner to open Control Center and dragging the brightness slider up or down depending on your preference. If you're using newer iOS versions and you don't see it right away, make sure you are inside accessibility because Apple moved these settings from the old display settings. Turning this off is useful if your screen keeps dimming too much or changing without your control, especially when you watch videos, gaming, or using your phone in different lighting conditions. Just remember, disabling auto brightness may slightly affect battery life since your screen won't optimize itself anymore.